Hey guys, Sarah here with another unboxing video for you. Today, as you might have guessed from my thematically appropriate clothing, also the only piece of DC apparel I currently own, but not for long, because today we are unboxing the DC Legion of Collectors box. I feel so bad, my dog's crying at the door, he wants to come in, but he's gonna screw with everything if I let him in, so we can't do that. I feel like everyone's gotten this box already. Downside of living on the East Coast, we get everything last. So we're just gonna go ahead and cut this open. Oh, thank God, I finally opened a box. First try. If I could just actually open it. There we go. We're going to open it. Ooh. Oh, that's cool. And open the box, and this is what you will see. This is my first Funko collaboration box. So that's cool. This is what you will see. All the illustrations on the box. The DC female superheroes. Okay, that's cool. I love this pin. I'm gonna take it out of the package. That's awesome. It is a Harley Quinn Legion of Collectors pin. That's cool. I enjoy that. And then the patch. I'm not going to take this out. I don't use a lot of patches, but Batgirl, Legion of Collectors. That's a pretty cool patch, though. I do enjoy it. Once you slide this open, that is what you are going to see. Okay. Oh, it's just a... No. Didn't see anything, just saw the box. Legion of Collectors, Batman Villain, it's a November box. Very cool, very cool. T-shirt. Why am I looking? I know half the stuff in it anyway, but... Okay, t-shirt. I'll do the t-shirt last. The comic, Batgirl. I love how they're pops. That's so cute. We have... I'm not super up on my DC, but Raven, Supergirl, Wonder Woman, Batgirl, Katana. Okay, that's not that hard. I was iffy on Raven, but okay. That's cool, that's cool. There are two pops? I only knew about one pop. Oh no, one's probably the... This isn't a pop. Okay, yeah. I feel cardboard and plastic, and I'm like, holy shit, pop. No. Okay. I did see this ahead of time because sometimes people put products in the thumbnails of their unboxing videos, which, please don't do that. For those of us who haven't gotten our boxes yet, it's really spoilery, even when we're not trying to be spoiled yet. But, okay, this is really cool. The Wonder Woman Invisible Jet with mini retro Wonder Woman. And it is a DC Legion of Collectors exclusive. Let's go ahead and take that out really quick. That's why I have a floor. That's the cockpit. Let's hope I didn't break that. Okay. That works. Put the cockpit back in. Okay. Oh shit. Oh, it's supposed to pop off so you can put Wonder Woman in it. Okay. I feel better knowing I didn't break it already. This little stand for the bottom that just sits on it. Okay, it just sits on the little stand, so. You go in there. I swear I make everything look harder than it actually is. Come on, little. Okay, there we go. And we have Wonder Woman in the invisible jet. That's cool. It just chills on this backwards. It chills on this cool little stand. Ooh. It's cool. It's cool. How many things can I balance on my laptop before it falls off my dresser? There's only that. Yeah, that's the Hot Girl Pop, which I also saw ahead of time. Also a Legion of Collectors exclusive. Very cool to add to my collection. Yay. I'm not gonna take it out. I'll take it out. I never used to take pops out, and I started doing pop photography, so I'm less rigid about it. Oh, she's so cool. Oh, her wings are awesome. Her head doesn't really turn, but that's okay. Oh, it's so cool. Like, the detail in her wings is so cool. Oh, she's great. I love the little mace head. That's great. You stand, and then the t-shirt. Handy dandy little plastic bag, which I'm totally strong enough to open. Okay, gray. I like gray. This is that. It's daytime. There's daytime glare now. So that's really cool. This is Funko Small. It's of course DC Legion of Collectors exclusive. And it says DC Comics, and it has Batwoman, Supergirl, and Wonder Woman. And that's really cool. I really like that. That's nice. I'll actually wear that. And now I have more DC merch that isn't just my Batman hoodie. And it's all gray. All my DC merch is gray. Or apparel. Whatever. So that's that box. We have our t-shirt, our Hot Girl Pop stand, our Wonder Woman invisible jet, complete with figure, our, is it a comic or a print? Oh yeah, it's a comic. Our Batgirl comic, our I'm Batgirl. Our Batgirl Legion of Collectors patch. And our Harley Quinn, if we will focus. Focus. Come on. It's not gonna focus. It did before. It's really cool. Legion of Collectors pin. And it's cool. This is my first Legion of Collectors box. And even though I'm not the biggest fan of the DC female heroes, it's pretty cool. I really like the shirt. I love the pop. The pop is awesome, even though, confess, no idea who Hawkgirl is. Sorry. The invisible jet is cool. And I can say I enjoyed it. I'm really looking forward to the next one. Batman villains. Oh, okay, there were, looking at the card, there were 2 different t-shirts you could have gotten. You could have gotten the heroines printed shirt or the villains printed shirt. I got the heroines, but now I'm kind of upset about that because I love their villains so much more. Oh man. Oh, that sucks. Oh well. That's okay. I believe that was, yeah, that was the only variant you could have gotten in this box, was the different t-shirt. But that's cool. November's box, Batman villains. Yes, definitely looking forward to that. And that's it for this month's Legion of Collectors box. If you guys liked what you saw, leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you thought of the box. Do you guys like it? Do you like the stuff in it? Are you looking forward to the next one? Are you gonna get the next one? If you liked this video and me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I do this kind of thing pretty often. And that's all, folks. I will see you guys soon with another unboxing video. Bye.